Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. Okay, so today's video is clearly going to be on my second vision board. Yay! It is currently still December, so I am not waiting till the new year to go ahead and create a new vision board. Well, before I get started, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. To all my new subscribers, welcome. Okay, but let's get started real quick. So I want to talk about a couple things that's on my vision board that I did achieve this year. So I have a MacBook up here, and your girl went to purchase a MacBook. I do have a video up on that. And I will actually show y'all that. If y'all want to see it, then y'all can go ahead and link it. I will link it down below. Also, Suzie collection, I wanted to add hair. So I am actually in the making of that right now as we speak. I literally have just booked my photo shoot. I booked my makeup artist, and I have like my boxes and everything in order with that. So I can say it's not all the way done, but it's in the making. So yeah, we got those two. I wanted my business to grow, and I am actually, you know, doing that now. I had 10K subscribers, so I am going to put that on my new vision board. I am currently at 4K. Thank God for that. I didn't get my 10K, but it's coming. I did go ahead and purchase You Are a Badass, the book. I did not finish reading it. I did want to get more active into Twitter, so I have been doing so. I have my man Les Brown up here. And that's my favorite motivational speaker. And y'all, as y'all see, I got the debt free in the little credit card right here. Y'all, your girl is not debt free, but guess what? I started off having to pay, I believe, 8 credit cards off when I made this vision board. And guess how many I'm down to? And this one could have been, it's only 2. It's 2 out of 8. I'm down to 2 credit cards that I have to pay off. So I am almost debt free. Yay. And I did go ahead, I went horseback riding. I'll link that in as well. It's a video up on that. And y'all, I did learn how to swim. I got closer to God, y'all. Like, this year has been amazing. So I did achieve a couple things on my vision board. So now we're gonna talk about this year's vision board. I'm not gonna do too much talking because y'all know I don't like super long videos. So I've already went ahead and printed out some pictures that I'm using. So my first picture is stock market. Y'all, this vision board is going to be very different from this vision board, y'all. So I am trying to invest in stocks this year, and I actually have a date set up for next Saturday to talk to someone that's going to introduce me into you know, stocks, and let me know the ins and outs and everything that I need to know. And then that Wednesday I am going to invest. So this is working already. Then I have this little picture here with a couple, like, you know, with the energy vibing. Me and Woo is sweet. I'm not gonna say perfect because we're not perfect, but we are amazing. We are in a great place in our life. We both, you know what we want out of life. We both working and, you know, achieving. So I have no complaints about my relationship, but of course I wanted to build it stronger, you know, stronger and better, you know. So I have that as well. And y'all, this, it explains itself. I'm ready to move. I don't know if it'll be Atlanta, but fingers crossed, because I really want to go to Atlanta. Y'all already know I got that on here. And then I have this little picture here, and he's on his last piece of the puzzle. So it's like, don't give up, keep going until you make it. So it's like, you got this, period. Let me get back over here because the lighting was better. You know, I got the suitcase, the passports, you know, the airplane, all that good stuff, because I'm ready to travel. It's been a while, y'all. This one came out a little blurry. YouTube with some money. So since this picture came up, guess what? So I happened to, you know, go on my YouTube. Like, y'all know the YouTube from the phones is way different when you go from like on the Mac. So I goes on my MacBook. I had seen a little notification of talk saying like I need to, you know, put my Google AdSense and stuff in. So I goes to Google AdSense. Y'all, I have been getting paid from Google AdSense since October. So I have 3 checks in there that I had no clue about. So young nigga getting paid, young nigga getting paid. Hey, hey. So that, y'all, that was so exciting. Like, and I just wanted to let y'all know that y'all celebrate the small things. Like, even though like it's not like I'm not getting paid, you know, $1,000, you know, and stuff like that, but I'm getting paid. It's slowly but surely. Trust the process, sis. We got this. We got this, okay? Take some time out for myself. Like, you know, sometimes I be literally working. Like, that's all I be thinking about. Like, getting stuff done. And I don't spend time on me. Like, I don't go out. I haven't been to get my nails done in so long, you know. And you know, I just want to, you know, stay with the self-care. I want to get so big into self-care because it's like, if you're not happy, then, you know, take care of yourself, you know. And also, I don't know if you guys know much about chakras and stuff, you know, being balanced, all that good stuff. So I have this one in Pacific. The throat chakra. So pretty much the reason I picked throat chakra is because I find that like when I'm communicating, I know like the things that I want to say, but they don't come out. And sometimes I be like, you know, like the words, I don't be having the words to say what I want to say. And I want to get better with that. So I want to unblock my throat chakra. So that is something that I'm really trying to work on. Because I want to be able to, like, when I'm out finna do a business move, I want to be out to blah, blah, blah. I want to be able to go out there and talk my shit. Like, you know, so they can be like, sis, know what the fuck she talking about. You know, I want to be able to communicate more fluently. And, you know, have my words flowing like, okay, sis, you know. So yeah, that's why I want to work on that as well. So I have another quote. It says, when we pray, God hears more than we say, answer more than we ask, give more than we imagine, in his own time, in his own way. Y'all know God's timing is the best. His timing is the best, and it's always on time, okay? So this is something fun. A drone on here. I have another quote. You're almost there. Keep going. Because you know how we like to get discouraged and not finish out what we started. And me and my best friend literally was just talking about this last night. Like, y'all, it's like you cannot get discouraged, because literally you can be, if you take one more step, that can be the door that opens up everything. So it's like you cannot stop. You can't. You have to keep going, because you don't know. Like, it's like, yes, it's times like YouTube, for a perfect example. For YouTubers, it's a start. Like, when we starting off, guess how many subscribers we start off with? 0. Guess how many views we get on a video that we think we put our hard sweat, work, and tears in? 5 views for a week. 5 views. Like, when you starting off, you don't have that many views and stuff like that, and you do get discouraged, like, oh my god, my hard work is not paying off, yada 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 yada. But you have to keep going. The progress, you have to stay consistent. That is number one key in everything that you do. Stay consistent, please. Okay? So, and then I have this little picture here. Because nowadays, families is not families no more. At least I can say that about mine. I can't really remember the last time that our family had like a big family gathering, you know. So that is something that I really want to focus on this year, spending more time with my family. Then of course I got my prayer hands because I just want to get closer and closer to my God, you know. So I do have those. I have this little picture as well. So this is like a 2-in-1. Y'all see she's super cute on her bike, you know. So I do want to get more into riding bikes this year. And I want to stay, you know, I'm not gonna stay cute every day because y'all know that's like impossible. Well, it's not impossible because I see some people doing it because they have more time. But with my job schedule and stuff, I just literally be working home, literally. That's it. So I do want to just start putting on clothes more, start, you know, doing my hair and stuff more, stuff like that. I want to start staying cute. So yeah. Okay, so this is a big one. I have literally already started, but I want to get better with eating clean. Yes, yes, yes. And speaking of salmon, guys, I haven't been doing any cooking videos because y'all haven't let me know that y'all really interested in the cooking videos like that. So y'all, I had made some salmon and my best friend didn't come over, so it was like a lot left. So I put it in, the rest of it was seasoned already. I put it in the refrigerator, and the next day I chopped them up, y'all, and made some salmon nuggets. When I say they was banging, oh my god, they were so good. Y'all gotta try it. I couldn't find a better picture, so I got this picture of pretty much, as you can see, like dance class. So your girl will be taking dance classes this year. I want to take some dance classes next year. And I have this picture here because y'all know I don't know how to dance. But yeah, I have this picture here of like her watering herself, like the growth. I just want to be I feel like I'm a great woman now, but I just want to be better, you know. And so I just want to keep educating myself, keep growing, keep, you know, progressing. Then I have this one. Y'all know I already have my passport. So this is pretty much stamps. For those who don't know, these are the stamps for like when you go to different countries and they stamp your passport. I'm trying to get my passport tatted, okay? Okay. And y'all, I know y'all looking at this beautiful, lovely hair. So I did do this myself. I did do a video on these before, but they was never this long. So these is down to, yeah, girl, ah. So y'all check that video out. And they was super, I want to say quick because it was took me a little longer because they super long. So I'm twisting like, but anyways, that video is definitely up by the time you see this one. And then I have this picture right here. Y'all know, like I said on my last vision board, I did learn how to swim. So y'all, I'm trying to be in some water this summer, okay? And then I got this picture here. So as y'all know, I am starting to get really spiritual. So I want to invest in me some crystals. I want to start saging more. And I have a picture of some little herbs and stuff. I want to try to get into natural herbs as well. So I'll be back. Okay, babe. So I am back. And I am 100% finished with my vision board. Everything that I am trying to accomplish this year. So this is it. I really hope that you guys make you a vision board this year, because when I say things did happen in my favor due to my vision board, but it does not work if you don't work, period. So don't think you're just gonna make you a cute vision board and stuff just gonna start happening to your life. No, it doesn't work like that. So yeah, this is mine. I'm so excited to start accomplishing and working towards these goals. So make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and subscribe down below. Help me get to this 10K. What are you waiting for? If you're still here, go ahead and subscribe. But no, I love you guys oh so much. Continue to grow with me, and I'm out. Peace.